Okay, hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm V and this is
Kay, also sister or crib class sister.
Yeah. Yes, we're at Haunted Harvest and we actually checked that out last night. It was pretty scary. It was scarier than last year, so I'm excited to go through it with her and see her how she likes it.
First night for me.
So come follow us, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you.
Guys, the sun is going down, it's getting scarier. How you guys feel about this?
Spooked.
How you guys feel?
Yeah, my boots.
It's getting darker.
Okay guys, we're about to get in. I'm kind of nervous.
Let's do this! Let's do that!
I'll just tell you what it says. And how many?
She's the devil in disguise. Okay, I thought that moved. Oh my god, it's so dark. And it's so quiet. How you guys feeling out back there?
Good. Great.
Just like, oh shit. My bad. Can I go home now?
I wanna go.
Guys, it's getting dark. The light is not bright enough. Oh shoot. Sometimes when I look at the sides, I feel like there's like something there. Oh! Oh, sheesh. Is that it, please? Isn't it just scary just passing through? Oh no. Oh no. Should I run? What?
She's like, yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, I'm going. Anything to say? It's like so creepy because of lighting. Like,
Makes it look scarier
like
to me.
yeah, like you don't know like what to expect. Like, I think if I was holding
Imagine if it
I
was
would-
just.
Dude, that's so scary! Oh my god.
talking!
Not turn off the light. Oh my god! Look to your sides too, though. Isn't it freaking creepy? Look on the sides.
Yeah. Check out the lights.
Oh. What was that? Was that just the wind?
It almost took her. Yeah, it almost got.
Oh shit! Who was that? What the hell?
He is out of here.
Oh my gosh, she's cursing us. I don't want to be cursed. Oh. So this is what people are going through with no light. Not see you.
It's Richard.
Richie!
Tap him in the nuts.
Hey guys, how's it going?
Shit, no.
I don't know if you guys wanted to take a couple pictures and maybe get something to drink. Maybe you could go hang out over here. Yeah, I'll pay you guys for it too.
You wanna do it?
I'll pay you for it. No.
Are you
That seems
sure?
fair. Yeah, come over here. Let me just...
Creepy, dude. Oh my god. I wanna hang out right here. Yeah. There are people behind us. Oh my god. It's kind of oh shoot.
Hey, this way. Over here.
Oh, Sing to go over here.
It's okay. No, I'm not one of them. I'm a human.
Okay. Where this way?
You need to go over there. Through there.
What is this?
Oh, you wanna go first?
No.
Where are we going through? I'm scared. What's on the other side, dude? Oh my gosh. No, no, no. See, the loud noises get me. The loud noises.
She spooked me. I was gonna record inside that box. What's in the box?
Whoa, that was a close one. I would have pooped.
God, civilization's almost there.
taste the ending. Oh, it's an elf. It's Buddy the elf.
I
Who was
know.
that? Who was yelling? Have you still a merry little Christmas? That is so cool looking. I like the lights on there. Oh my god, I did not see you there. Which present do you guys think would be worth opening? The bloodier one?
Yeah, I think so.
That one. The head.
The head? Oh, what if that's in there? What if the body parts are in the gifts? Oh shoot, look at the cleaver. She was hungry.
Merry Christmas! Have you been naughty or nice?
Have you been naughty?
You're next!
Hi guys, so we just came out of Haunted Harvest. It was so haunted. It was really scary, honestly. I think the lighting helped us a lot, but without the lighting, I think I'd be way more scared.